Manual media calibration. Manual calibration of a zt610 and zt620 printer. Zebra recommends calibrating the printer whenever the media type is changed, and for most types of media, auto calibration is adequate. To place the image in the correct position on the media, we must first identify the features in the media that the printer is to detect. Then ensure the sensors in the printer are configured to detect those features. If the media has a gap, also called web, or has holes or notches, select gap/notch in the menu. If the media has a black mark on the underside of the media, select mark in the menu. Select continuous in the menu if the media is a continuous roll with no start position features. Please note the label length on continuous media is controlled by the file being printed. Set the sensor type in the menu. For black mark media, set the sensor type to reflective. For all other types of media, set the sensor type to transmissive. Load media and ribbon. Make sure the media and ribbon are fully inserted. Please calibrate in those modes if there are any media handling options, such as a peel or cutter. If the media has a gap referred to as a web, hole, or notch, ensure the sensor is in the optimal position to identify that feature. Move the sensor to where the light passes through the notch or hole. Try to avoid locating the sensor under the hole or notch radius. If the media is not a simple rectangle, such as a circular shape, locate the sensor over the leading part of the label. If using media with print on the other side, try to locate the sensor away from the print so the sensor does not get a false reading. Select menu. Select printer. Select sensors. Select manual calibration. Select start calibration. Open the media door. Touch Next. Open the printhead assembly. Touch Next. Remove the ribbon. Touch Next. Locate and adjust the media sensor. Touch Next. Pull about 8 inches or 200 millimeters of labels from the printer. Remove about 6 inches or 150 millimeters of labels from the liner. Touch Next. Move the liner until it is under the media sensor. Touch Next. Close the printhead assembly. Touch Next. Remove excess liner. Touch Next. Press Calibrate to start media calibration. Start ribbon calibration. Open the printhead assembly. Touch Next. Load the media. Touch Next. Load the ribbon. Touch Next. Close the printhead assembly. Press Calibrate. Tear off the excess media. Close the media door. Press pause to resume printing. Press the feed button to test calibration.